Hello everyone. In this video we are gonna prove Cauchy's mean behavior theorem. Similarly like Lagrange's theorem, but there is difference. Here we are gonna take two functions, which is f of x and g of x. And if you haven't watched Ross theorem, you should watch it. It will be so easy to understand. So let's focus on Cauchy's theorem. So there are three conditions for that. First one is the both theorem, which is f of x and g of x, should be continuous in closed interval AB, and they also will be differential in open interval AB. And the third is the second function, which is g of x, should not be equal to 0. Why? We are gonna find out. So if all three situations are satisfied there, we will have a point such that, let's say K, okay, at which the value of function f of b minus f of a, okay, by g of b minus g of a will be equal to f dash k, okay, the differentiation of the first function at point k by differentiation of the second function at point k, right? And k will be in between interval AB, right? So if we got here, now we will consider a auxiliary function. Like, let's consider auxiliary equation, okay, that will be f of x, and which will be defined as smaller f of x plus a g of x. So here we can see a is a constant function, so a is constant function. So from there we can say f of it is equal to f of b. Keep this in mind. This is our first equation, alright, and there are two intervals a and b. So in equation 1, if we put x is equal to a, simultaneously x is equal to b, right? So the equation will be f of a is equal to a smaller f of a plus a into g f of a, and when we put b, the f of b is equal to f of b plus a g of b. So from there, here we can say both are equal, and by equating to each other we will find out that a, the root, I will write it, of b plus a g of b. From here we can separate one another. From the function of a, I am taking it to the left hand side, of the function of f with the right hand side. So it will be a common g of a minus g of b equal to f of b minus f of a. Alright. So now if you take minus out from here, the equation will be like, so the equation will be minus a equal to f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a, okay, and this is our second equation. Why is that important? Because from here you can see that this is same as this term, correct? same as this term. So from now we have to repeat the same Ross theorem here. So that's nothing else, just the repetition of these two situations that are given. So if function, first one is if the function f of a and f of x and g of x is continuous in closed interval ab, the function which is auxiliary function f of x also will be continuous. And the second one is f of x and g of x is differentiable in open interval ab, so that the auxiliary equation function also will be differentiable in open interval ab. So here we can see that it's same as we are proving Ross theorem, and this one, the third one is from constant function we take f of a equal to f of b. And here you can see these all three situations are for the Ross theorem. So from there we can take the certain point C, that f dash C equal to 0. Alright, this is from Ross theorem, and we are going to put it in the first equation. So from there we can say f of x is equal to f of x plus a g x, right? And now f of c equal to 0, so we have taken c as k for this theorem. So it will be f dash k equal to f dash k plus ag k. Alright, and this is what? This is 0 f dash k, and so now we're gonna I'm going to f of take a gx in left hand side, so will be minus a g dash k will be f dash k, right? And now if I put the g on right hand side, there will be minus a f dash k equal to g dash k. So from here you can see that this term minus a equal to f dash k by g dash k, this is same as the first that we were proving, and the other one is this minus a is same as this one. Okay, so from here nothing we have to do, just let me wipe out something just real quick. So at last we have to just say minus a and minus a both are equal, so this is equation third. So from equation 2 and 3 we have f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a, which is equal to f dash k by g dash k. And here we hence, so that was our Cauchy's mean value theorem, and other theorem are in the playlist, so you can watch it too. And thanks for that. Subscribe, like and share. That's all. Take care.